The insulated glazing manufacturer Glass Solutions, based in Kreuzlingen, Switzerland, uses SWISSPACER AIR. After sealing, the insulated glazing is set aside until the sealant has hardened. To install the SWISSPACER AIR, the holes are marked approximately 200 mm from the corner on the vertical side. The holes are carefully drilled in both the sealant and the rear of the spacer in a single step using a special step drill. This step drill ensures that the hole is drilled to the correct depth. A butyl sealing cord is applied to the underside of the SWISSPACER AIR. Alternatively, a SWISSPACER O-ring seal can be used. Briefly remove the drilling swarf. The SWISSPACER AIR is then screwed into place. Ideally, perform this task on several panes of insulated glazing, as this saves time. The insulated glazing is now ready for delivery and no longer vulnerable to climatic loads.